One very important thing that you need to know about FMLA leave is this. When your FMLA leave is exhausted, you may still be entitled to additional leave as an accommodation if your condition for which you took medical leave qualifies as a disability under ADA, which is Americans with Disabilities Act, or FEHA, which is California Fair Employment and Housing Act. Here's a common situation at work. Let's say you're injured, you have a foot injury or back injury, whether it's work-related or not, or you have some kind of serious condition or serious surgery that requires you to be off work for a while. And then you get a letter from your employer that says that your FMLA leave and all other types of leave will be exhausted by this day. And if you don't come to work the following day, they will terminate you or you will be considered as having resigned. At that point, you should come forward and remind your employer that as a disabled individual, as someone who has a qualifying disability, assuming that your condition does qualify as a disability, you may be entitled to an extension of the previously granted leave. It cannot be an indefinite extension, but you may certainly be entitled to many weeks or even months of additional leave, depending on the size of your employer, the resources, the nature of your position and duties, how many other people can be working in your position while you're out, and a few other factors. If the employer doesn't consider that, if they terminate you just because your FMLA has been exhausted and you do have a condition that qualifies as a disability, chances are that you have a valid wrongful termination and disability discrimination claim, and you should talk about it with a local experienced employment attorney. Thank you.